Gyeon WetCoat. This is the ultimate spray and rinse hydrophobicity booster. Now we tweak the formula for even more durability. Let's give it a coat. When you're using this product, it's really important that your car has been washed and has been rinsed. This product is not for use on dry panels. Really important, spray one panel at a time and rinse immediately. Don't let it dry on the surface. A really big advantage of the product is that you can use it on glass, plastic and wheels. It will add great gloss and makes the wheels easy to clean and easy to dry. Gyeon WetCoat can be used on coated and non-coated cars. Therefore, it's a great product to use as a coating maintenance. One tip I can give you to avoid problems is start by spreading it on the roof. Make sure you rinse your roof really well and rinse the whole car after the roof once again. Then start with all the other panels. Good luck.